I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Make a quick backup of documents, desktop, and downloads to an external drive or cloud. Once done, open Task Manager and end the File Explorer process, then run Explorer. EXE to restart it. This often clears transient hangs. Make sure to inspect View options next. Enable file extensions and hidden items so you can see what's wrong. If quick access is corrupted, unpin recent items. These are immediate, low-risk steps that get you into a stable state. You now dig deeper. Open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano to scan and repair corrupted system files, because unexplained Explorer crashes often trace to system DLLs. After that, restore folder options to defaults and clear File Explorer history to remove stale cache entries. Next, use a shell extension viewer to disable third-party context menu handlers. Once disabled, restart Explorer to confirm stability. This sequence isolates corrupt components and explains why each step narrows the fault domain for faster resolution. You finish by validating the environment. Create a new user account and sign in to see if the issue is profile-specific. If the new profile works, migrate your data selectively. If search still fails, rebuild the index via indexing options, because corrupt indexes break results without crashing the UI. Make sure to try a repair install or Windows reset only after other steps, since those are disruptive. If things go wrong, boot into safe mode to remove drivers or extensions. That single tip often restores access without reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.